So on the morning of Wednesday, the 29th of August last year, workers who've turned up for work at the intermodal site in Barry Docks have come across the body of Harry Baker. What we've discovered is that just after midnight, going from the evening of the 28th into the 29th of August, it's clear that the suspects for this offence have been actively looking for Harry. We can see that around that key time, Harry has been set up at Little Moors Hill. CCTV will show people hiding in bushes, and in effect Harry is lured to that site. As he walks along, an ambush takes place with people jumping out. A foot chase ensues down Little Moors Hill, really for near enough a mile, along Cardiff Road, and then it culminates very sadly in Harry hiding in the intermodal site with this sort of high fences where I'm sure he thought he was safe and he couldn't be found. But sadly, as the CCTV shows, they've seen him at that site, they've cornered him, they've ruthlessly and viciously slashed and stabbed him there and left him to die. This case boils down to drugs, carrying weapons to protect their drug supply business that they run, despite coming from a family who loved him and having every opportunity. You know, Harry has chosen to go down this route of being involved with drugs. You know, he certainly didn't deserve what happened to him on that night at the intermodal site. The message from South Wales Police is that those involved in selling of Class A drugs who carry knives and who carry weapons will be robustly targeted and brought to justice.